Hello guys, my name is Kadiri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lagging mouse. If your mouse is slowing down and it's not responding effectively or fast, don't worry, I'll help you fix this right here. So before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and don't forget to turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you. So I'm going to go over to my search bar right here on my taskbar, and then I'm going to search for device manager. So here it is right here. Then I'm going to click on it to open. So immediately device manager is open. What you're looking for is mice and other pointing devices. So you're going to click on it, and then you see the Synaptic SM Boss touchpad. So you're going to right click on that, and then a list of options drops down. Then you're going to hit on, this update driver button. So this window comes up. So you're going to hit on search automatically for update driver software. So when you do that, the driver is going to update, and when it's done updating, you're going to close the windows, and then you're going to go back to your search bar and search for mouse settings. So here it is right here. You click on it to open, and then you're going to click on this button right here, this scroll inactive windows when I hover over them. You're going to click on it to off it, and then you're going to switch it back on again by clicking on it. So when you are done with this, you're going to close this windows again, and then you are going to go back to your search bar and search for task manager. So here it is right here. So I'm going to click on this to open, and then we're going to go over to startup tab, this startup right here. And then you are going to disable all applications that you know are not useful right here, that you don't need. All applications that you know that you don't need right here, you are going to disable them, especially if you have Cortana there. If you have Cortana, you must disable Cortana, and that is that. So when you are done with all that, you are simply going to restart your PC, and most probably your issue will be fixed. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and also turn on post notifications so that you get notified when I post a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.